Step 1. Go to Play Store. Click on Search button and search School Excel. Click on Install. Step 2. Open School Excel app. Enter email. Enter password. Click on Login button. Step 3. Click on bell symbol to check notifications. Click on globe symbol to select language. Click on calendar symbol to select academic year. Click on settings symbol. Click on profile to check profile. Click on reset password to change password. Step 4. Click on home symbol. Click on My Learning Kit. Click on My Interactive Book. In this there are two types of books. One is interactive book and second one is My Learning Book. This one is interactive book. Click on Open button to open book. Click on second symbol to get arrows. Click arrows to turn the pages. Click on video button. Go back to School Excel app. This one is My Learning Book. Click on Open button. Click on elimating button to play teacher lecture. Click on Talk button to play discussion video. Click on Exam to take simple test. Go back to School Excel app. Step 5. Click on My Learning Kit. Click on Attachments to check all attachments. Click on Button in Action column to download attachments. Click on Home symbol button. Step 6. Click on My Learning Kit. Click on My Homework to check homework. Click on Download symbol to download attachment. Click on Home symbol button. Step 7. Click on My Learning Kit. Click on Smart Library. Click on Home symbol button. Step 8. Click on My Learning Kit. Click on Library. Click on Book List. Check list of all books. Click on Home symbol button. Click on My Learning Kit. Click on Library. Click on Issued Book. Click on Book Request to make book request. Click on Book Issued to check status of all issued books. Click on Home Page button. Step 9. Click on Academic Master. Click on Exam Schedule to check all exams. Click on I symbol in Action column and check Details of exam. Click on Close button. Click on Home symbol button. Step 10. Click on Academic Master. Click on Class Schedule to check week class timetable. Click on Home symbol button. Step 11. Click on Academic Master. Click on Subject and check all list of subjects. Click on Home symbol button. Step 12. Click on Academic Master. Click on Attendance. Select month. Click on Filter button and then check attendance of that month. Click on Home symbol button. Step 13. Click on Academic Master. Click on Event to check all events. Click on I symbol to check details of event. Click on Close button. Click on Home symbol button. Step 14. Click on Academic Master. Click on Online Exam. Click on Take Exam button. Click on Start Exam. Select Answer option. Click on Next button. For last question, click on Complete. Click on View Result button to check result. Click on Close button. Click on Home symbol button. Step 15. Click on Live Classroom to check all live classes. Click on Home symbol button. Step 16. Click on My Progress. Click on Progress Report and then check all exams reports. Click on Home symbol button. Step 17. Click on My Progress. Click on Smart Progress. Select Exam. Click on Filter button. Click on View Report button to view report. Step 18. Click on My Progress. Click on Progress Tracker. Select Exam. Click on Filter button. Click on Report symbol to view report. Step 19. Click on My Progress. Click on Skill Report. Select Exam. Click on Filter button. Click on View Report button to view report. Step 20. Click on My Progress. Click on Online Exam. Click on Smart Progress. Select Exam. Click on Generate Report button. Step 21. Click on My Progress. Click on Online Exam. Click on Progress Tracker. Select Exam. Click on Generate Report button. Step 22. Click on Gallery. Click on Download button to download the photo/video. Click on Home symbol button. Step 23. Click on Parents. Click on Fees and check Invoice. Click on Payment History tab to check payment details. Step 24. Click on Logout button to log out.